atong duha ka bolt.
Mili
ka, left or right, doesn't matter.
Clip
mo.
Pagos, okay.
Tap. One on the outside, one facing outside this way, one facing inside. Okay, so it should be like this.
Okay.
When you clip it, and then you clip it too, and tell me you're done, I'll believe you.
Okay.
Alright? So that's... That's what we're saying, yeah?
Lamig jeda. Isa ka dyan. Breathe isa ka dyan. Oh.
No, please. I was wanting to fucking climb.
First can experience yun. Best.
That's the beauty of sport climbing, because like you stop roping and then you go like that, like what the heck, I must have.
Yeah. Lamig ako dyan. Nagulat ako. Ufo. Gala.
Go for a fucking scare.
Sarap nun. Muntik na ako eh. Pausin talaga ako. Wala na. Gusto nang gusto ako napunta na doon sa kabila pag ganun. Alam palakad na ako doon. Pero may naabot ako eh. Dito na lang ako. Nakikita ko na eh. Saan ba? Doon ako. Dito ako. Dito na lang. Mayroon pala. Pwede. Pwede nga talaga extension para